In this document, I have 2 pages in it, but they're in the same spread, which means that page 1 starts on the left-hand side, not the right-hand side. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 methods to make that happen. Before we get started, if these sorts of tutorials interest you, feel free to subscribe, and also feel free to drop a comment below on any future tutorials that you'd like to see. Let's get started. First, we're going to create a new document. You can use the shortcut Command N or Control N, or you can go File, New, and then Document. These settings don't really matter besides these ones here. I've got pages 2. Now you can always add a page in your document, but it's just easier to start off with the amount of pages you need. And then facing pages is checked on. So I'll click Create. Then we're going to right-click our page 1. We'll go Numbering and Section Options, and we'll go Start Page Numbering at 2. For those of you who are a little more keen-eyed, you could see in the document setup that we could actually start our page numbering at 2. So you can do that in the document setup, or you can do that right here. We'll click OK, and now our pages are in the same spread. Right now I have the whole spread selected, but if you don't, if it just looks like that, just hold Shift and select your other page so you've got your whole spread selected. Then we'll right-click this, untick Allow Document Pages to Shuffle, right-click again, and untick Allow Selected Spread to Shuffle. Then we will right-click our first page again, go back to Numbering and Section Options, and start our page numbering at 1. And there we have it, the spread that starts at page 1. Now for our second method, we're going to create a new document again, and we're going to leave all these settings the same. Click Create, and I'm going to select both of my pages and do that step first of right-clicking, choosing Allow Document Pages to Shuffle, and Allow Selected Spreads to Shuffle, so both of those are turned off. And then we can click and drag our pages. So if I drag page 1 down here, there we have it. Now you have to be careful about how you do this. So I dragged page 1 down and my spine is in the middle. But if I was to do that again, and I drag page 2 into the wrong spot, for example, if I drag it here, our spine is on the left-hand side. So this is very important because if I add another page down here, my pages now look like this because this is where our spine is of our book. So this has 2 pages. This can be excellent if you have a fold-out sheet in your book or something like that, but for general printing, it's not ideal. So I will just undo that and do it again. So dragging page 1 just down, and then our spine is in the middle. So that is how we have 2 pages side by side and the page numbering starting at 1. And if you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.